Come on, Aiden. Come on, Aiden. Come here, Aiden. Come here. Come on, Tishy. Come here. Come here, Aiden. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. No, walk, Aiden. Come on. Oh, come on, man.
He's not confident with himself, so he's trying to belittle other people so it looks like he's better. I feel like you're still not.
Come on, Aiden.
It doesn't seem like that she feels that
Bum man.
she's not. She needs to move out. You know, this is a woman you've been married to for 20 years,